to our Volvo P1800 build. We're continuing to fit up the engine bay. We've got our brake booster unit in, and we've even started to plumb up all the brake lines, making them nice and tidy. We're also now starting on the main wiring for the whole car. So this is a front to rear body loom. So the rear loom has been replaced in its entirety, and we just need to make sure we've got all our connections right. This is going to be a daily vehicle, so we want to make it reliable. So by installing all new relays, it'll be a lot more empathetic to the old technology. We can control how it all works a lot easier. Moving into the vehicle, we're starting to fit up all the dashboard wiring, getting all our loom in first. Wiring harnesses, they generally go in first and everything's built around them. So by mapping out where everything wants to go into the dashboard, where the wires has to come down to a fuse box, we can generally judge where we need to send wires and where we need to go. And then we hide it and we channel it to the back of the car. So we're back in the spray booth now. The vehicle spent a few weeks in the workshop where we've been fitting out all the interior. We've gone over the body shell a little bit more, just iron out some of the finer detail of the body. The Underseal really does its job in highlighting all the areas that need a little bit of rework, so we've done that. So we're painting this Volvo in the Aston Martin DB5 silver. It's the iconic silver that everybody relates to. What we have found in painting the engine bay, it's a very unforgiving colour. So you've got to get all your undulations out the bodywork, and everything has to be really clean and smooth. And it's a bit of a testament to Aston Martin back in the day when they were making panels and painting the car this silver. It sort of shows you how right they had to get everything to really make this colour pop. We're back in the main workshop. We're fitting all our running gear in now and our powertrain. So we've got the engine and the gearbox have gone in. We've got the back axles in, all correctly now, and the front suspension. These components won't be coming out anymore. So the engine's fitted now, and we've detailed it in largely what the body colour is of the vehicle. And that way we keep a good blend and a good match. But while we're at it, we're just fitting some chrome back on to make sure all the gaps are right. And we can get all the heavy work out the way. So we have our Volvo P1800 back in the spray booth. We're putting another layer of primer on it, and then we'll be wet flatting it. This is a process we've already done, but we've done some design changes to the bumper, and we've done some design changes to the exterior chrome. That means we have to drill more holes and we have to modify the bodywork slightly. So now we're going back into primer and we're ready to go into final paint. So keep following us to see the final stages of the paint process and see how the colour turns out, which we're all very excited to see.